Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a hand accessory bracelet made of rubber bands. I will explain how to create this cute bracelet. So let's get started. Step 1. Take one rubber band and place it on your fingers, the sharp part of the circle, like this. Then take another rubber band and place it on the top of your fingers, like this, just like this. Grab the bottom rubber bands and pull it down off like this. See it? Fix it there with something like this. Fixing. Take the next rubber band and repeat the same steps in order. Yes. Look at this beauty we have created. Secure it with the clip. And that's it. Our rubber band bracelet is ready. Bye bye.